If you want to start using the paid version of Card, you should click on the link in the description to get the best discounts available. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link socials in Card. As you can see on the video, I have a list of buttons for a social platform. Now in here, to link Facebook on this Facebook button, you'll have to copy your profile address on your Facebook. To do that, you'll have to paste it to the URL. Now, go to your Facebook app or Facebook website, log in your account if you haven't logged in yet, and then go to your profile, click your profile. Once you click it, click the three button and copy the URL for your Facebook profile if you're using a mobile phone. But if you're on a website, just copy the URL on the tab, then paste it to the URL button, and that's it. Same goes with the other button. If you want to link those social platform on your button, you'll have to copy the address and link it to your button URL. And that's how it works. Now, if you want to have a responsive button, you'll have to pay the paid plan in Card. And that's it. That's how you link socials on Card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.